Hey guys, just a very quick market update here. I've got somewhere I've got to be, but just since I wasn't able to make a video yesterday, I feel obligated to fire one off here in a few minutes. Obviously, you guys are probably well aware at this point the SEC is suing Binance as well as Coinbase. That sparked a little bit of volatility yesterday. Saw that big dump there. Something that's nice to see is that Bitcoin did get a very nice reaction. The bulls did get pull the trigger when we kind of got at support there. I don't want to be too optimistic about this right now. I mean, yes, it's nice that maybe this was just a little fake out below this yellow line, but now we have to consider the fact that that is now a lower low. So the structure is still technically bearish. We have our low here, and now low here. So technically what I'm looking at is basically this red box is our lower high at this point, and that's where we touch this downward sloping trend line as well. Basically, as it stands right now, that's actually on the bigger swing of things. Even the shorter swing, ever since getting that dump, obviously we set our low here and now a lower low here as well. So as far as the smaller swing goes, we're trading at resistance right now. So I think this yellow box as well as this red box here are two very important levels in the market right now for Bitcoin. It is nice to see that reaction. That is quite V-shaped, but just the fact that we stopped at this yellow box rather than getting on top of it does have me a little bit concerned. And as well, we never quite got that third touch point along this diagonal green support line that I've been talking about. Part of me just really thinks that we're still going to get some kind of a third touch point on that trend line before finding support. So these are just a few things I wanted to put on your radar, you guys. Me personally, I've been trading Pepe during this market volatility the last couple of days. It's been very nice. It's been fun and playful and super volatile and everything. On the daily chart here, it's at a very interesting place because technically, once again, just looking at basic market structure, we have our low, or rather we had our high here, and then we broke that high, and this is kind of where we topped out after that point. So our high or low on this chart, I mean, this chart doesn't have a ton of data. I don't know how far it goes back, what exchange has the most data. I don't know, but just looking at this chart, this looks like the obvious level of our high or low. So, I mean, it would make sense on a macro time frame that Pepe would find some kind of support at this level. The fact that we closed below this level would suggest a little bit of weakness here. But again, guys, we are still technically trading right at support, so we're going to have to see what happens there. I'm personally more of a scalper. You guys know this. I'm actually in a bit of a short position right now. We were looking weak here, getting rejected on the moving average cloud on my MDX Algo 3 indicator here. Got this top out signal. We were just looking weak, trading at this support level we've been bouncing off for the last quite a while here. So yeah, I've already locked in half my position here. I just did that right before I went live here. So stop loss is updated. Nothing to worry about there at this point. But Pepe's been respecting. I've been loving degen trading, just scalping the 1 minute chart on this coin, you guys. It's just been respecting basic market structure so well. Here's a good example of a position I actually took earlier in the day. We set a low here, and we set a lower low here. Highest point between the two is right here. So I was watching this yellow box as the lower high structure, just because we kind of did get this. I mean, yeah, we had this nice pump this morning, but we sold off very quickly. So just kind of looking at this downtrend, just got this very nice bounce, looked like an obvious level here as a lower high, and confirmed it with the MDX Algo 3. We have the moving average cloud. We have this trend moving average above us. Got a reversal warning right at the level I was watching for. Bright red candles there. Let's see what the other indicators were saying. Yeah, the oscillator 4 had this bearish pivot, and the oscillator 5 also had a bearish divergence. So there was just a lot of things going for that trade setup. So that was just one of a few scalps that I took. I think I've taken about this would be my 6th scalp now on Pepe in the last 2 days. I just keep shorting bounces. It's been fun. So I'm just going to keep playing this one for now. I'm not afraid to long it either. I mean, I've been more favoring the short side recently just because, like I said, with Bitcoin, I mean, I think you know, just setting those lower lows has me a little concerned. So I am leaning a little bit bearish with my bias. But like I said, I trade short time frames. If I can scalp a little bit of a long very briefly, I'll take one of those too. But yeah, I've just been favoring the short side the last couple days, and it's been playing out great with Pepe. So anyways, guys, yeah, that's just a few things I really wanted to bring to your attention very quickly. Like I said, I got to keep this one short, but yeah, that covers about all I wanted to say. I know I've been talking about these levels for a while now, this green line as well as this red line, and so far, I mean, nothing's changed as far as the mid to long term goes. I still think those are kind of the lines in the sand at this point, so just a few important levels that I'm personally watching. So with that, guys, if you appreciated this video, please do me a favor, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If my indicators here interest you, or the MDX Algo indicators interest you, there's a referral link down below for those. With that, I'm out. Stay safe, my friends. Peace.